Hey guys! In today's video, we'll be looking at 5 best multi-cooker that will totally amaze you. Don't skip it, watch all the way to the end. So, let's get started. Number 1. Are you tired of using multiple pots and pans just to cook one meal? Does cooking rice, yogurt, soup, and meat require too much time and effort? What if one single appliance could replace your pressure cooker, rice cooker, slow cooker, steamer, and more while saving time, space, and energy? Today, we're looking at a kitchen game changer. This is the Instant Pot Duo Plus 9-in-1 Multi-Cooker, a powerful and versatile all-in-one electric cooker designed to simplify your everyday cooking. The Duo Plus offers 9 cooking functions in one appliance. Pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice maker, steamer, sauté, yogurt maker, food warmer, sterilizer, and more smart presets. It features a 6-quart capacity, perfect for families of 3 to 6 people. With 1000 watts of power, it cooks food up to 70% faster than traditional methods. The stainless steel inner pot is durable, easy to clean, and safe for everyday use. The touch control panel is modern and simple, with customizable smart programs. It also includes access to the Instant Pot app with 800+ recipes, making meal planning super easy, even for beginners. Pros: extremely versatile, replaces multiple appliances. Fast cooking time. Easy to use touch controls. Durable stainless steel build. Great for meal prep and batch cooking. Cons: slight learning curve for first-time users. Takes up counter space. Lid sealing ring may need occasional replacement. Overall, it's reliable and beginner-friendly once you understand the basics. This is perfect for busy families, students living in apartments, meal preppers, anyone who wants fast, one-pot cooking, beginners who want guided smart programs. If you want convenience and versatility in your kitchen, this is a strong option. At around $99.99, the Instant Pot Duo Plus offers excellent value. Considering it replaces 7 to 9 separate appliances, it's a smart long-term investment for your kitchen. If you're interested in the Instant Pot Duo Plus, check the link in the description below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more honest product reviews. Number 2. This is the COSORI Twin Pressure Rice Cooker CRP-LHTR0609FW, a premium rice cooker with advanced induction heating, pressure cooking, and 20 cooking modes. Let's look at what makes this cooker special. Induction heating technology heats the pot more evenly and precisely than standard rice cookers, giving perfect rice every time. Twin pressure cooking uses high pressure for better texture, fluffiness, and taste, especially with whole grains and sticky rice. 20 menu modes includes options for white rice, brown rice, porridge, gizzard rice, mixed grains, slow cook, steam, and more. Voice guide helps walk you through cooking steps and alerts, great for beginners. 6-cup uncooked/12-cup cooked capacity, ideal for families of 2 to 6+ people. Versatile multi-cooker and pressure cooker, not just rice, you can steam veggies, make stews, porridge, and more. Removable inner pot, easy to clean and maintain, hand wash recommended. The design is sleek and modern, a stylish addition to any kitchen. Pros: excellent rice quality thanks to induction heating plus pressure. Multiple menu modes for flexible cooking. Voice guide helps beginners. Large capacity for families. Multifunctional, not just a rice cooker. Cons: higher price compared to basic rice cookers. Takes up counter space. Voice prompts may be loud for some users. This is a premium cooker, so performance matches the price. Perfect for families who eat rice daily. Home cooks who want perfect rice and versatile cooking. Anyone who wants advanced presets for many dishes. People who value consistent texture and taste. If you want higher quality results and a multifunctional kitchen appliance, this is worth it. At about $439.75, this is definitely on the premium end, but you're paying for advanced induction heating, pressure cooking, and 20 menu options. This isn't just a rice cooker, it's a versatile kitchen machine. Number 3. This is the COSORI Twin Pressure Rice Cooker CRP PHTR0609FS, a premium rice cooker with induction heating, silent pressure system, and versatile cooking modes. Let's break down the features that make this cooker stand out. Induction heating technology provides precise and even heat distribution for perfect rice texture every time. Silent pressure system, quieter pressure cooking compared to traditional models, great for peaceful kitchens. Twin pressure cooking uses optimized pressure levels for fluffier rice and better taste. Open cooking mode lets you cook without pressure when you want softer results or want a steam/slow cook. Dynamic display, easy to read controls and status updates while cooking. Eco inner pot, durable, easy to clean, and designed for efficient heat retention. 6-cup uncooked/12-cup cooked capacity, perfect for families and everyday meals. Multifunctional cooking, more than just rice, porridge, mixed greens, steam, slow cook, and more. Modern, sleek design and gray blends nicely with most kitchen styles. Pros: exceptional rice quality with induction heating. Quieter pressure cooking, great for daily use. Multiple cooking modes for flexibility. Large capacity for families. Premium build and dynamic display for easy use. Cons: higher price than basic rice cookers. Takes up some counter space. Hand washing recommended for inner pot. This is a top-tier rice cooker with performance and convenience. Best suited for families who cook rice often. Home chefs who want precise texture and flavor. Anyone who likes advanced presets and quiet operation. People who want a versatile multi-cooker for daily use. If you want perfect rice with quiet pressure cooking and advanced features, this is a great choice. At about $469.99, this model sits in the premium category, but you're paying for induction heating, silent pressure, smart cooking modes, and durability. For those who love convenience and high-quality results, it's worth the investment. Number 4. This is the Instant Pot Pro 8 QT 10-in-1 pressure cooker, a powerful 10-in-1 kitchen multi-cooker designed for fast, flexible, all-in-one cooking. Here's what makes this Instant Pot Pro worth your attention. 10 cooking functions in one. Pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice/grain cooker, steamer, sauté, sous vide, yogurt maker, sterilizer, warmer and more, all-in-one appliance. Includes app with 800+ recipes. Free access to guided recipes and smart cooking tips, great for beginners or recipe inspiration. 1400 watts of power. Faster cooking with higher power than many traditional pressure cookers, great for big meals. 8-quart capacity. Large size ideal for families, meal prepping, or cooking big batches for guests and parties. Stainless steel inner pot. Long-lasting, easy to clean, and high-quality construction. Touch control panel. Clear digital display with easy buttons, choose cooking modes and settings quickly. Programmable and customizable. Program your cook times and pressure settings to fit your recipes and lifestyle. Pros: replaces 10 kitchen appliances, huge versatility. Large capacity for families and batch cooking. Powerful and fast with 1400 W. App with 800+ recipes for easy meal ideas. Durable stainless steel build. Cons: bigger and heavier, takes counter space. Slight learning curve for beginners. Premium features at a mid-range price. Overall, it's easy to use once you get the hang of it, and it speeds up cooking significantly. This is perfect for families who cook often. Home cooks who want lots of functions in one machine. Meal preppers and batch cooks. Beginners who want guided recipes. Anyone who wants one powerful, all-in-one kitchen tool. If you want convenience, speed, and flexibility, this is a great choice.
At around $199.99, you're getting 10 appliances in one: pressure cooker, sous vide, slow cooker, yogurt maker, and more.
That's a lot of value for everyday cooking and special meals alike. Number 5. This is the COSORI CUCKOO 9-in-1 pressure cooker, a versatile and affordable multi-cooker designed to simplify everyday cooking. Key features/highlights, 0 to 50 seconds. Let's take a look at what you get. 9-in-1 cooking functions. Pressure cook, rice, slow cook, sous vide, sauté, steam, and more, all in one machine. 13 smart cooking presets. Pre-programmed options make cooking fast and beginner-friendly. 1100 watts of power. Strong heating performance for quicker and more efficient cooking. 12 built-in safety features.
Includes overheat protection, pressure control, and a safe steam release system for worry-free cooking.
Ceramic non-stick inner pot. Unlike traditional stainless steel pots, this ceramic pot is easy to clean and prevents food from sticking.
Hassle-free steam release switch.
Simple and safer pressure release mechanism. Recipe book included. Helpful for beginners who want guidance in the kitchen. 6-quart capacity. Great size for families of 3 to 5 people. Pros. Very affordable for a 9-in-1 cooker. Easy to clean ceramic inner pot. Multiple presets for convenience. Strong safety system. Compact yet spacious 6 size. Cons. Ceramic coating may wear over time. Slight learning curve for first-time users.
Not as premium as higher-end models.
Overall, it offers solid performance at a budget-friendly price. Perfect for
small to medium families.
Beginners looking for easy presets. Apartment kitchens with limited space. Budget-conscious buyers who want multiple functions in one appliance. If you want versatility without spending too much, this is a great option.
At around $80.93, this is one of the most affordable CUCKOO multi-cookers with premium features like a ceramic inner pot and 12 safety protections.
For the price, it delivers excellent value.